Madison Mayor Satya Rhodes Conway gathered with members of the MMSD school district today to announce they will be providing free Metro bus passes to all middle and high school students for the summer. Officials state the more than 7,000 passes will help encourage young people to navigate the city and provide them with new opportunities, as well as reduce emissions and improve air quality. MMSD staff say the passes will allow students to experience not only new jobs, but new activities.
This is not only an opportunity for scholars to more easily access summer jobs, internships, and other activities, it's also an opportunity to turn more residents into regular riders of public transportation, something that is so good for our health as a city.
Students are set to get those bus passes by mid to late May.